So I had got this Iceco VL45, Thanksgiving of 2022. Used it once or twice just to kind of test it out, but this is the first camping trip that I'm taking it on. Me and my daughter have been out here for 3 days. Well, we'll be out here for 3 days tomorrow. We've been having all our food in here, drinks in here, with her going in and out and forgetting to shut it once. Luckily, it was only 5 minutes. I found out it was open still. But you know, it's staying really cold, keeping everything fresh. I mean, the fact that I don't have to have ice in it is nice. I have our drinks right here, all our food containers in here, and I'm impressed. I love not having to have ice, have to worry about ice, sticking my hand in a freezing cold ice chest, digging for things. I pull it out, take what I need. I'm also happy I can have fresh fruit in here, which me and my daughter have watermelon, strawberries, apples, and oranges in here, which I really never brought because I never wanted to deal with that with ice. I'm powering all this with a Wagon Tech Cube, lithium cube 500. It's been on here for 2 days. I know you might not be able to see that, but I'm at 82%. Now, I'm only using this Wagon Tech to power the fridge as of right now. Just wanted to see how the 500 did. My goal is to get the Wagon Tech, the Lithium Cube 1200 from Wagon Tech, and get their solar panels too. That way I have constant power. That way I have this one plus that 1200. That way I have plenty of power for everything I need. Very impressed with it. My next thought is when we start camping a lot more, I'll probably get the bigger size to this, which I think is the 60 quart one, and go from there. I'm really impressed with it. I really enjoy having it. I'm excited to keep using it. Stay tuned for more updates.